Okay, hello everyone. So this is going to be a very quick session where I'm going to tell you like the companies which are which have already adopted AWS offerings into their architecture. So there I can say almost like every big company's name that you heard as of now is using AWS. So one of them is Aquila, Orange Theory, Ramp, Nanotronics, Zendex, Redfin, Salesforce is also using AWS, and Netflix, the one of the biggest entertainment services in the world today. Netflix is using AWS, Snapchat is using AWS, Adomo, Pinterest, Blue Jeans, Finra, ClickUp, Ancestry, Expedia has, and the list goes on and on and on and on. So nowadays, I can say like almost every big company that you know about is already using their AWS services into their architecture. So this is just to like you give you an insight how big AWS is like today in today's world. So learning AWS is very important. That's why we have like putting so much effort in making this training so that you guys can kickstart your career in the one of the latest cutting edge technologies nowadays. Okay. So, yep, thanks it. And thank you. I'll see you in the next lecture.